What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Ruthless from GG Kicks here, and today I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Today we're going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 5 SE Apple Green, the remade version, because this actually doesn't have the ducks on it, but you guys will see the whole shoe once we start actually getting into the review. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe if you guys like the content. I record at 4K. If you guys want to watch at 4K, your phones really can't do it right now, so I suggest using a TV, or if you got a high-end monitor on your computer, check me out. But if not, I'll be ready for when your smartphones actually get 4K. So that's why I'm doing it. People ask me, why am I recording in 4K when it's really not supported all around yet? But might as well be future-proof and have high crispy quality videos. So let's actually open up the shoe. So here's a look at this box with this nice design. I guess maybe that's why they charge $225, because this shoe shouldn't cost $225. It was kind of limited, but not really. I know a lot of people that hit, but some people say that they were limited and that they did catch L's on these, because these were kind of hype, but they're not really reselling for that much, since the retail is $225. So let's open up the box here. Well, I almost didn't show you the price tag. So taking a look at the price tag here, Air Jordan 5 Retro SE Apple Green Black. This is a very sturdy premium box, so maybe that's why they're charging $225 for it. So taking a first look at the shoe, you guys can already see that nice green suede going around. Soft to the touch, very soft to the touch. This is my favorite material on shoe. Obviously the softer the suede, the better. You guys could probably see. So the whole upper of this shoe is in this apple green, kind of like candy green color here. Everything is soft. It's that suede all around the upper. Then it's like this smoke gray in this netting area, and also the smoke gray for the lace holders right here. You got your black midsole, yellow spikes. There's no duck behind this one. This is the version that just came out for the team. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever, by Michael Jordan right there. The actual PE has a duck here and has the O, the yellow O for the logo, right on the tongue. This is actually a 3M tongue all the way down, completely 3M. Can't really see it right now, but I'll show you guys in a bit. Taking a look at the bottom of the shoe here, we got our sole, nice translucent sole right here, and nice crispy blue. Got kind of like a darker blue on the inside, black in the middle, more icy blue soles. But you guys are probably thinking to yourselves how this compares to the Michigan release that released last year. There was actually a Michigan school shoe, because that's how they call it for the remakes of the PEs. They can't really use the branding, I guess, so they just go with just naming it a generic school. So this was also a school. And last year we got the Michigan one. It was just basically the same shoe, but just instead of the green, we had the yellow on there. And it was just that nice Michigan colorway. You got your lace locks here. Inside of the shoe, around the liner right here, you have this nice textured liner. Feels premium, has Elevate. The Michigan had Inspire on them. These are actually dubbed the Elevates, because they can't call them Oregons. This shoe is smooth, man, I'm not gonna lie. The texture is smooth. It just looks like a very comfortable shoe. I don't know if that makes sense. That's kind of why I like the Nubuck, because it just makes the shoe just feel more premium and more comfortable, to me at least. Overall, I give this shoe an 8.5, only because of the price point, which was at $225 retail. I believe it should have been a $190 retail. They shouldn't have, but since it's a school pack and they knew that it was gonna sell, they decided to make some extra money off of it. The box is a little more premium, but they didn't add extra laces. They could have thrown in yellow laces to match the yellow here, give it more of that Oregon look. It's not that much yellow to give it that Oregon look, it's just the green. But other than that, it's a very clean Jordan 5 colorway. You can't go wrong with these. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I very much appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.